Merry Christmas! Today is day number 25 for the Advent box openings from my boxes. Let's see what there is. Hi guys, this is our last voiceover for the Advent boxes. Yay! We're going to jump right into it. So box A has a project bag and it's not actually, oh it is, sorry, I lied. It's a project, it's a 3-yard quilt. These are your fabrics and you're going to get a pattern. Or am I lying? Let's see here. I know you get, you have quite a bit of 3-yard quilt things. Yes, this is the one. You get the book. I love how I have menopause and COVID brain. You put the two together and you get what I have. Anyway, make your quilts. Show me what you do, which pattern you pick. There have been some people that have already opened their boxes and even posted them on the Facebook page. So show me what you end up doing. The 3-yard quilts are really simple. They're pretty user-friendly for anybody. Okay, the V box is kind of fat. It is also a, no, it's not a project bag. See, I can't remember. There I go. It's a book. Quilts from Quarters. So this is a good size book of patterns. Lots and lots of patterns specifically for fat quarters. Look at all the options you get. I'm also giving you a bundle of fat quarters. Now, everybody is getting a different bundle. Just depended on what I had. So there's so many boxes that went out and you all got a set of 8 fat quarters. And I'll be honest, I robbed my own stash to do this, but it just means I'm sharing the love with you guys. But they're all different sets. Everything is a set of 8, and no two are the same. So what I'm showing you, only one person will be getting. Okay, but you can take that, and you can take your book, and you can take the yardage and different things that you've gotten, and you can come up with whatever you want, however you want, and I would love to see what you end up doing. So you have a lot of creative liberty with this one. Actually, with all of them. Okay, on to the very last box, our non-quilter box. This is the last one of the whole series. And this one is actually wrapped up pretty good. It's inside the bag is another bag. And then inside that bag is, dun, 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 I'm trying to get in there, a little box. Yep, and inside the box, I sure hope that these survive shipping because they're kind of fragile. And I don't remember why I'm laughing. Oh, it's in bubble wrap. See, even more. I love these things. These are 2 clear easels. It's like a picture frame with sand in it that you can just play with it. And that has those little glass easels so you can sit it down. You can stand it up either way you want. And I believe there's a couple different colors, so you could get green, pink, or blue. But it's just, I don't know, a relaxation thing. I love to watch these just shift. So that is what you get for day 25 in your non-quilter box. I hope you've enjoyed this series and the boxes. Don't forget that there are lots of A boxes left for 2024. I opened the pre-sale up early. By now, because I am taping this early, but by now I would be surprised if I have any of the B box left for next year. But the A box is going to be half the price and only 12 days. So it's just a smaller version, and those are still available. And then there's also the new mystery quilt kit that will be coming out in July. So check softsquares.com for that. And let me know if you got the box, if you liked it, what you liked about it, and what you think I should do about the non-quilting box. I'm just curious. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me. Have a great Christmas, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.